10 ways to screw up the profit in your interior design business. Don't do this. Number 9, part 9. All right, listen, you. There's a big push in creating a gorgeous, high profit, high revenue, high peace, feel great inside, love my business. And something that will screw up the profit in your business every time is not identifying your superpower or superpowers. So many designers speak about their design businesses in the most general terms, and you sound like just every other Tom, Dick, and Jane. No good. I want you to identify your superpower or superpowers. What's your superpower? How do you find it? Well, a journal and a glass of Cabernet is never a bad combo, but here's what you want to think about. What is it that you think you do really well? That's usually your superpower. What is it that you think you do that sets you apart from your competitors? That is part of your superpower package as well. The things you love doing, the things you know you excel at doing, these are your superpowers. So what might those be for you? Is it a certain design style that you think is just your jam? Or do you think project management, you just blow everybody else out of the water? What are the things that you think you do incredibly well? Those are your superpowers, plural. See if you can find one that just sums you up completely. Not identifying your superpower or superpowers, and you probably have more than you think. Not identifying those is what will always negatively impact your bottom line and your profit. So don't do that. But something you should do, you should definitely stop in and join me for my upcoming free workshop. I'll be talking to you about what you need to be doing in your business to take it to that next level. See you then.